Welcome to today's tutorial, and today we are going to see how we can use remarketing campaign in Facebook ads. So the very first step that you have to do is to first ensure that Facebook pixel installed at your website and all the events are configured properly. So you can install an extension from Chrome Web Store, which is a Meta Pixel Helper. And here you can see that I have installed this extension. This extension will tell you if pixel installed at your website and if events are configured properly. So let's go to a random website on the internet, and here we are at the website. We have opened it, and you can see that this is indicating that a pixel is installed on this website. It has given me a pixel number, and it is also showing me the events, which are triggered when I have visited this website. You can also install this on your website, and you can check if all things are configured properly. Once you have completed this step, then the next step is to go to audiences. Here you have to go to create audience, and we have got two options. The first one is the custom audience, and the second one is the lookalike audience. So for targeting, we have to use custom audience. So you have to go into a custom audience menu, and here for retargeting, you have to use website. All the customers that have visited your website, they are at the bottom of the funnel, and now your job is to again show them the ads because they have already visited your website. They are familiar with what you are selling, and you have a good chance of converting them. So you go to website, and then you go to next. Here you have to ensure that pixel name is properly selected and it is valid. Once you ensure that, then you move ahead, and here are different events. So let's go through these events one by one. The first one is all website visitors. If you want to target all website visitors that have visited any product page, you can use this option. And in the second option, you can specify the web page by the URL. If I go here, you can see that here you can add the URL or the product URL that you want to target. And the third one is the visitors by time spent. Here you can target the visitors that have spent most time on your store. So Facebook has given us percentiles, and you can use these percentiles and the retention time. Next, we go to view content, and here what you have to do is you can define by product URL. So we have three very valuable options. The first one is the view content. So view content means anyone who has visited your web page and seen a product, you can define that by a view content. And similarly, you can use add to cart and view content. These are mostly used to retarget the visitors. For example, if I want to retarget the customers that have added to cart but did not complete the purchase, so what you have to do is to select this option. And the second step in it is you have to refine this by a URL parameter. So if you go with a URL parameter, you have to give a product page URL over here. But let's say that you don't want to give a URL, you want to give the content ID of the product. So what you have to do is to come over here and here are the parameters of the product. So what you can do is you can select the content ID from here, and here you can mention the content ID of your product. So in e-commerce store, every product has a unique product ID, and what you can do is you will use Chrome Pixel Helper to check what is the content ID of the products. So let's see that we have this product, and here you can get the content ID from this. So this is the content ID of this product. So you can take this content ID and you can put this here, and you can name this custom audience as people who have visited to cart in the last 30 days. The duration you can change from here. Okay, and then you can use create this custom audience, and then you can use this custom audience in your campaigns for remarketing. So this is how you can create a custom audience and use this custom audience in your Facebook ads remarketing campaigns. Thank you.